Hi, I'm Eddie, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Ace trimmer from Stylecraft. Unlike clippers that are designed to cut the interior of the hair, the Ace trimmer is designed to cut the hair as close as possible to skin. It's great for cleaning your beard, trimming your hairline in between haircuts. People with sensitive skin or acne, they may not be able to shave with a razor. The Ace trimmer allows them to get as close as possible with less irritation. The Ace is also great for body grooming. You can remove all the hair or trim it to a more manageable length with our 3 included guard attachments. The shorter teeth on these guards allow you to get into those hard to reach areas. The 3 hours of runtime is great for professional use and more than enough for personal use. The USB-C charging option allows you to charge this practically anywhere in the world. The rubber grip on the handle, it really gives you confidence and control. Now this trimmer has what we call a skeleton design, and you can see the top part is open. This allows for cooler operation and better sight lines and accuracy when you're cutting. The quality and value of the Ace trimmer from Stylecraft is exceptional. Thanks for watching.